Logo? Wood? A design? I can handle this. I got you covered. What's up, YouTube? It's Brian at GP Rod and Customs. Today's episode of Teach It Tuesday, I'm going to teach you how to do some raised vinyl. Basically, it's taking a logo, putting it on a board, covering it with some vinyl. That's all there is to it. Probably take 15 seconds. I doubt it. Alright, what's going on, man? So what we're going to do, first off, I'm going to take the design that we got here, which happens to be one of those nice templates that we get from Mobile Solutions. I'm going to take the design here, I'm going to put it on a piece of wood, use this 1/2-inch flush trim bit with an oversized bearing on it so I can make this shape a little wider because I don't like how thin it is, so I want it a little bit wider. So when I put this on a piece of wood, I'm going to use the flush trim bit to go around the outside, and it's going to make the overall size a little bigger than what this is. So just by adding another a little bit bigger bearing, he was able to make this shape a little bit bigger. So now, actually I'm going to have to do it again for the design that I'm working on. It's not going to be a good day today. Now we have our two pieces. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to take our top piece and basically we're going to decorate it. So we're going to use what's called a cove bit on this inside edge. And basically what a cove bit is the opposite of a roundover. So I'm going to get that bit and I'm going to get it set up. Alright, so I got a test piece so I can see how high I want to set this cove at. So we're going to give it a shot right here and see what it looks like. So that's what we're going to do the inside of this piece with, just to give a little nice little decorative edge on it. Alright, so now what we're going to do, we're going to take the two pieces and we're going to glue them together. Now they're perfectly flush. So there's our design piece. We're still going to do one more decorative piece to it. Actually, we may do several more. Just got to see where this is going to go first. For my outside edge, which I'm going to do a chamfer on. Now, what a chamfer is, it's basically a 45-degree angle. So I'm going to put that on the outside edge of this piece. But I want to do a sample piece to make sure my height is right. So now comes the fun part. Basically, we're going to take this logo, we're going to center it up, put it in there, cut it out of vinyl, lay another piece of vinyl over that, and then glue the whole thing down, and it'll be what we call a raised vinyl logo. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this black piece of vinyl, I'm going to lightly glue it to the surface of this piece. I don't have to wrap it all the way around because I'm going to pull it all the way out. Once that's done, I'm going to take the logo, I'm going to glue just the back of the logo, and then I'm going to place that onto this piece. And I'm going to rub it out real good to make sure it lays down good. And then what we're going to do is we have decided to cut just the white out. So I'm going to take my knife and cut just the white area out. And that's going to be the part, the black and the gray is going to be the parts that stay. The next step is basically to take another piece of vinyl. We have gray vinyl that we're going to use. We're going to lay over it. We're going to glue it down to this, and then you'll be able to trim around this logo that I put down here, and then it'll make it pop out. Work around the logo using a simple pick, 90-degree pick, and we're going to use the bent part right there to work around that logo. Well, that was definitely one of the harder pieces that I've probably had to do. So if you liked today's video and you think you might have learned something, subscribe to our channel, like us, and always share the knowledge.